Morning guys, it's Patrick here, PCTV. We are in Montrose, California. We're here for the Montrose Car Show, and I'm going to do a little walkthrough here before the music starts. There's three of us here from Surf City Classics 5150 Rat Rods. Got my brother Robert here in his 36, and Clifford in his 22, and I brought my 74 today, the Franken 10. It's been repaired, hood's back, everything's back together. Now I just got to paint the back half of it. So here's my old truck. We got a lot of cars here today. This is an 1800. Here's a P model Volvo.
Not a P. You say P, you'll piss those people off.
Uh-oh, what is it?
It's an 1800E.
1800E.
The P was from 62 to 64.
That's it?
And then when they moved to Sweden, they changed to an 1800S. But when they were made in Britain the first like 2 years.
No kidding.
Yeah.
I always have called these a P's. I've always called them P's.
They were originally called P1800.
P18, that's what I've always known it as. I
Right,
never
and
knew
then
different.
Once they started making them back in Sweden, they changed to an 1800S and then an 1800E for the fuel injection.
Probably the most beautiful Volvo ever built, except for the little wagon with the back window.
Yeah,
that's
sure.
also
Sure.
that's also an 1800 wagon too, right?
No.
No?
Oh, you mean the ES?
The ES.
The 73.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's
with
it.
the glass back.
Yes.
That thing's beautiful too. But this is by far the prettiest Volvo ever made. So, what's your name?
Tom.
Tom. Nice meeting you. I'm
Nice.
Patrick. I'm with PCTV. I'm driving that right there.
Oh, there you go. Great.
You got him behind us.
Perfect.
Yeah, so we're gonna have some fun. I'm gonna try to get some shots in before the music starts. Look at your car,
think
man.
The music's right there.
I know.
Myself.
I was hoping I could maybe put like a little grenade in there or something like that, but God, this thing is just, what a sweetheart.
Oh, thank you.
Love it, thank you. Yeah, and to find the parts for it and everything too,
Yeah.
I would give this about, 10 points. Yeah, that's a 10-pointer.
I hope it's on a 10-point scale, not a 20.
All right. Take care. Thanks. All right, we got the British invasion over here. Got the sun on my back. Nice little Mini here. I think I've seen this wagon before. At least that engine I've seen. Got a G-body El Camino here.
Really? Oh yeah, there's some way you go down, you come back up until you're ready to
Cobra emulation.
That's weird. Mine was kind of half and half.
Got 34. Rolls Royce. Silver Shadow. I don't know. Nice little Jag. Here's that 64 genuine SS.
Yeah.
Looks good though.
You made it in.
Yeah.
Everything's good.
Believe that?
We got it.
Not bad either.
It is a 66. Okay, I called it somewhat right. Beautiful little 390. Then the 67 hit.
I like it's a milk chocolate. It looks like lunch.
Gorgeous. Here's that F250 74. Dent side, F250.
Your mind, huh?
These are all the cars that were lined up earlier. Nice, the left body. Is this blown? Nice. Sweet car. Subi. Interesting that's in here. All kinds of stuff. Rock Silver here. My T-bucket. Montrose is just a beautiful town here. It's a great setting. You couldn't ask for a better place for a show. Now, I saw this when I pulled in on my live. I didn't know what the heck it was.
Probably it's more expensive than
Ensman. Ensman 386 Spider. What's this based on? coach builds. Okay, so these are kind of one-off, custom designed. Cool. Cobra emulation. Let's see, what do you think? Super Performance or Factory 5? Let's take a look. It is a Factory 5. Most definitely. Sweet though. Long bed GMC. We got a rubber bumper MG with tonneau on it. In the back here, we got a Honda Super Sport. Oh, the Widowmaker. It's not the 750, so maybe it's just a cripple you for lifer. Oh, it is a Widowmaker. It's a 900. Holy Jesus. Yeah, this is a this bike could just straight up kill you. You could do one thing and one thing only: go straight, really fast straight line, and couldn't stop, couldn't turn, couldn't brake. But man, it could go fast. This was a 2-stroke 900cc triple. Keep walking. 402 CUDA. Got a G-body. Not G-body, but first late model Nova. 69 over here. And we got music going. Yeah, that was a nice conversation.
I was talking to him for like half an hour, 45 minutes.
At least I know we do that every time. We got to stop it. We did that
this.
at Irwindale too. Remember, we kept talking to each other. So no more of that. But we'll do it again. But it's great seeing you, Mike. Take care, buddy. All right. So yeah, got some great stuff here. The morning continues, and I kept Mike from shooting like we always do. Every time we get together, we just talk and talk and talk. Mike Frankovich, just a super sweet guy. Nice 5.7 here. I'm working my way back to my truck. And we got a lot of stuff coming up. We've already kind of shot this street here, so we got an Oldsmobile. There's that Skyliner. They don't want you to touch it. There we go. Now the music's over here. 5.6, 5.7. Yeah, I gotta go get signed up for the show here. Nice nomad. I like the airplane.
Just sitting here doing nothing.
Yeah. Steel wood. Very nice. Music. Oh boy. That's it for me. Here we go.